Subaru. All-wheel confidence. Brought to you by Untold Facts. From Maroli Edutech. Subaru, a Japanese automaker known for its rugged reliability and symmetrical all-wheel drive systems, has carved a unique niche in the global automotive industry. Owned by Subaru Corporation, formerly Fuji Heavy Industries, the brand blends utility with performance, drawing a loyal customer base especially in regions with demanding weather and terrain conditions. Subaru was founded in 1953 as a division of Fuji Heavy Industries, which was originally an aircraft manufacturing firm. The inaugural Subaru vehicle, the Subaru 360, debuted in 1958, signifying Japan's foray into the mass-market compact car segment. Over time, the company shifted its focus towards engineering-centric vehicles that emphasized safety, durability, and versatility. A significant milestone in Subaru's journey was the adoption of all-wheel drive (AWD) as a standard feature across most of its models during the 1980s, an initiative that would ultimately shape the identity of the brand. Signature technologies and innovations. Symmetrical all-wheel drive, Subaru's hallmark feature, providing balanced power distribution for enhanced traction, handling, and safety in all conditions. Boxer engine. The horizontally opposed engine design lowers the vehicle's center of gravity, improving stability and performance. EyeSight driver assist. Subaru's proprietary suite of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and pre-collision braking. Subaru was one of the first auto manufacturers to achieve zero-landfill production facilities in the US, and it consistently ranks high in environmental performance. The brand has also invested in hybrid technology, Crosstrek hybrid, and plans for broader electrification of its lineup in response to global climate targets. In North America, Subaru has developed a devoted fan base, especially in regions such as the Pacific Northwest and Northeast. It consistently achieves high marks in owner satisfaction, safety ratings, and resale value. Subaru's marketing strategy, highlighting themes of adventure, love, and durability, has reinforced its reputation as a reliable partner for life's adventures. As the auto industry pivots toward electrification and autonomous technologies, Subaru is investing in EV development, collaborating with Toyota to expand its electric lineup. The recently launched Subaru Solterra, its first all-electric SUV, is a glimpse into the brand's future. Subaru continues to be a prominent player in the automotive industry, not by following trends but by adhering to its fundamental principles: safety, reliability, and the ability to go anywhere. Whether you are driving through urban areas or traversing mountain paths, Subaru's dedication to engineering quality guarantees that you are always well taken care of. Thanks for viewing this presentation. Please share and subscribe to our channel.